Our intro class is called Fundamentals of TV or Fundamentals of Broadcasting, and we're going to take you from the beginning, give you a good foundation, and build up from there.
So we started with editing, and that was really great because once we got out the cameras, we actually knew about the cameras and we knew how to edit the projects that we had filmed. We got to be interactive with it because we all have our own computer and we all get to edit our own stuff, and it was awesome. It is my favorite class, not just because of what we do, but also because the people in there and my teachers, they make it really fun.
For those students that wish to continue in our program after the intro class, the next step is intermediate TV, and what we hope to do in that class is to continue to grow and develop our students' writing and storytelling skills. We want to make them better reporters.
The Cabot Today Show is a show that the intermediate broadcasting class hosts every single month. All the packages that we have each been working on over the past months, we put them actually together into a full show that's around 10 to 15 minutes long.
The advanced class is unique in the fact that we come in and we put together anywhere from a minute to a 3-minute newscast daily. It is student produced.
If you're not doing the news, you're probably working on a project. If you're into sports, football, basketball, you can make a hype video or make a package. If I'm anchoring that day, I'll probably come in and put my clothes on to anchor. I'll read over the script maybe once or twice, and then we'll run it in here. They'll start the intro and start doing all the things that they need to do while we're in here.
We provide streaming services, which means that we will live stream our home and road football games on Friday night during the high school football season, as well as high school basketball games here at Panther Arena at home. It's a great opportunity for students to get hands-on, real-time, real-world experience.
My favorite job about Friday Night Football is definitely being on the field with the camera. I feel like whenever I'm filming, I can kind of get in the zone and I can kind of just follow it and play like I'm doing the NFL or something. It's really cool. It's really fun. It's a nice way to spend Friday night. It just makes me feel like I'm really involved with the school, and honestly it gives me a nice sense of school spirit. I'm doing something that matters.
If you're gonna do it all. Don't just stick to one thing, try everything in here because you may find something that you love that you didn't know that you liked.
I encourage you to consider joining our broadcasting program here at Cabot High School. We are the best broadcasting program in the state. This is as close as you're going to come to a real-world, real-time, hands-on experience. I'm going to get you as close to ready for college as possible. But until then, come join our program here at CHTV.
I'd say if you're definitely interested in that, give it a shot.